Click on the link below to get price. The 4-pack folding conference table with wheels is a versatile solution for any workspace or training environment. Right out of the box, the assembly is straightforward, requiring minimal effort, ideal for those who may not be particularly handy. Each table features a robust design, ensuring stability while still being lightweight enough for easy mobility. The flip-top feature is a standout, allowing for quick setup and takedown, which is invaluable for dynamic meeting spaces. The wheels on each table roll smoothly and lock securely. This means you can easily rearrange your space to suit various needs, whether it's a training session, a collaboration meeting, or a casual gathering. When not in use, the tables fold down compactly, making storage simple and efficient. They stack well, taking up minimal space in any storage area. The surface is made from a durable material that not only resists scratches and stains but also provides a professional look that's suitable for corporate environments. The tables are spacious enough to comfortably seat 4 people, making them perfect for group discussions or brainstorming sessions. One of the notable features is the versatility of the tables. They can be used in different settings, whether in a conference room, educational institution, or even at home for larger gatherings. The neutral color complements various decors, seamlessly integrating into multiple environments. However, the weight capacity of the tables could be a consideration if you plan to place heavy items on them. It may not be suitable for more extensive setups that require additional equipment or materials. Overall, the 4-pack folding conference table with wheels is an excellent investment for anyone needing flexible, mobile furniture that doesn't compromise on quality. With a combination of practicality, aesthetic appeal, and ease of use, it offers great value and meets a variety of needs in any modern workspace.